How to add another account on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add another account on your Snapchat. So let's get started. You will open up your Snapchat on your mobile phone and then you just have to open up your profile. So in your profile, go to your settings and log out. So what happens is make sure that your login info is saved. Click on log out. So I'll just log out of my Snapchat. All right, so you can see that this is my one account. Click on switch account. And now what I can do is I can add another email address like a brand new username and enter a password, or I can sign up for a brand new account too. So you just enter your login information here, or if you do not have an account, just click on sign up, create a brand new account here, and then we will be able to just switch between accounts like we do on Instagram, and we will have more than one account on Snapchat as well. So it's really easy to do. Just log out and you get the switch account option right here. Save the login info and you will be able to just swipe and check all of the accounts that you have and click on it to log in again. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.